Hello everyone, welcome to the Seaborn series. Here in this video, we will be talking about strip plot. A strip plot shows the relationship between a categorical and a numerical column. It's a great way to see all the data points, especially when dealing with small data sets or when we want to avoid summarizing data with summary statistics like means and medians. So let's take a simple example and then we will see in detail like what this strip plot can do. So let me put down the code. So here we are using the strip plot of the Seaborn library. We can see here sns.stripplot. Here I'm using the same automobile data set. In the X column, we have used a categorical column, fuel type, and on the Y axis, I have used a CTMPG, which is a numerical column. Let me run this. So we can see here, this is how the strip point is being looks like. Okay, so when we look at the strip plot, the data points here represents the one data point from the data set. Like this particular one data point is representing a data point of the CTMPG with respect to the fuel type gas. Okay, so and the data points here are grouped into categories. So here the category is the fuel type, like into gas and the diesel. Okay, and the dots are being spread out to prevent them from overlapping. To if there is any kind of an overlapping, we can avoid it by using the strip plot. Okay, so we'll see in the later part of the video, like we use a parameter called as jitter, which can be helpful in in providing a proper gap between the two data points. Okay, so this way. The other thing is like this is a very simple plot. It helps us in easily spotting the category where the points are clustered together. Uh, it can also help us in identifying the outliers. Like we can say here that these 2 points are very much high. They can be assumed as an outlier. Then also there's one point here which can be assumed as an outlier. Okay, so this way we can draw a strip plot, a simple strip plot. Okay, then we can also customize the color. So for that purpose, we use the palette parameter. So which allows us to give a different color or customized color to the different categories of our plot. So let me draw this. So here I'm putting this uh, palette is equal to set one. So when I run this, so you can see here, I'm getting the different colors for the different categorical values. Okay, instead of simple one color, it's always good to provide different colors to the different categories. Then we are coming to the jitter parameter. So as I told you, jitter parameter helps us in providing a proper space between two or two more points. Okay, so usually sometimes in the strip plots, the 2 points are very close to each other and we are not able to find it out. Okay, so what we do, we put the jitter parameter here. So let me put this code. So here we can see jitter is equal to 0.3. Please remember by default jitter is equal to true. Okay, so let me run this code and we can see here it has provided the proper gap between them. So higher the value, we can put the more the spread of the points will be along the categorical axis. Okay, so basically what this jitter parameter does, it adds a small amount of random noise to the position of each data point along the categorical axis. So this helps us in avoiding the overlapping points and making it easier to see the distribution of the data. Now next thing is the horizontal strip plot. This is very simple. We just need to flip the x and y inputs, um, and we will get a horizontal plot. So you can see here, I am putting, I put the categorical column on the y-axis and a numerical column on the x-axis. And let me run this so we can get we have got this we have got this horizontal strip plot. We can also adjust the line width and the size. So we can use this parameter called as um, line width and size. We can see here. So we have provided line width is equal to 2 and size is equal to 8. So when I run this code, so we can see here it has increased the size of the data points. We can also use the hue to show the relationship with respect to a different uh, column. So here in this code, we can see here we are using the hue is equal to fuel type. So our plot will be in this form. So it's showing the relationship between CTMPG and body style. With further, the data points are being divided into fuel type, gas, and diesel. Okay, so the blue points representing the gas, and the orange points are denoting the diesel, fuel type diesel. Okay, we can also create the facet. So basically, facet, what it does is in the hue, we have seen that in the one diagram, it's creating all the plots. Okay, but when we use the facet, and here we are using the a cat plot. Okay, in the cat plot, we have this called as a parameter called as kind, and we have mentioned it as a strip. So what will happen? It is going to create a strip plot. Okay, if we have provided as kind is equal to violin, it would have created a violin plot as we have seen in the previous video. Okay, so this way we can use the cat plot here. Okay, and here we have provided call is equal to fuel type. So what will happen for each different categorical value of the fuel type? There will be a separate diagram, or there will be a separate plot. We can see here. So fuel type is equal to gas. So we have a separate plot. Fuel type is equal to diesel. We have a separate plot. So in this way, we can draw the different plots of the strip plots. Okay. So if you want to look into the more details of the parameters, you can just always go to the official website of the strip plot. And here we can see we have a lot of different kinds of plot which we can do using the strip plot. Okay, so this is all about this session. If you like my video, just please subscribe. Thanks a lot.